Are you ready for food? Finally! Finally, they're feeding me!
Come on, you ready?
What is it?
Let me help you, okay?
It's okay, you can do it.
Yeah, tell him how to do it, Mamas.
What do you think?
A little bit. A little bit in there. Yeah, see? Move it around. Oh, good. Like that, yeah.
What's going on, Moxie? What's going on?
Ready? Want to try another bite? Want to try it? It's okay.
It's okay, you'll get used to it. It's good.
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
I know. It goes back, though. It doesn't go out. I know. It's hard to figure out.
You'll figure it out. Good job. Good job. Now.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Another bite? That was a good one. I feel like he's going to sneeze.
Uh-oh.
No? Is it good? Good boy. Good boy.
Hey, what's going on over there?
Whoa, there it all came out.
Oh, I missed it.
You missed it. You missed the explosion.
Exploded.
We can eat right now too, Moxie, alright?
Okay, Pumpkin, I'm going to give you some food right now,
You're
okay?
going to watch the Master Eater going. Well, that's Daddy.
Well, watch your head, please. Careful.
Bite?
It's okay, Bob. Good job. Good job.
Go slow, it's alright.
Nice and easy.
Okay. Sit down.
Good
What's
job.
the date today? The 9th of April?
Mm-hmm. Meow. Meow.
So he's what? 4.5 months old?
4.5.
4.5 months old, and I can't be any more than milk now. I need a little something more. Oh, you want the spoon? Okay. No, I need Gonza too, huh? Good job, Bubba's.
Good job, Bob.
Look at that.
Wow.
Very awesome. Well, okay, you can chew on the spoon for a while. How about that? Yeah, just
Cool.
practice.
Good job.
Hiccup.
Whoa. What do you think?
We can keep trying later, okay? We have another couple spoonfuls in a little bit.
Woohoo! Good job, people.
Good job, yay!
Good job, little Bub.
Bubbies.
Way to go.
In a week he'll be eating something.
Oh, yeah, totally. Meow. Good job, little boy.
Job.
Woohoo!